Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using the watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until you see the menu on the screen. And once the menu opens, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system. After you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called display and tap on it, and then scroll down. And at the bottom of the menu, you will see a couple options: general use, during activity, and during sleep. General use is when you use your watch normally without any activity tracking. During activity is when you're tracking the activity, of course. And during sleep is when you're sleeping with your watch on your wrist. First, let's tap on general use. And here we have the timeout option. Tap on it, and you have short, medium, and long, and extra long. Select the one you like. For example, let's say I will select long here for the general use. Then you can press the down button to go back. You can tap on during activity, select the timeout, maybe short, and then during sleep. And we don't have the timeout option here. Okay. So once you set the duration to your liking, you can press the back button. And I selected the timeout duration for the general use for long, so it should take a lot longer now for the screen to turn off. So let's wait and see. As you can see, it took much longer than before. So it is working, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.